Wow, it was right in my face.
Hey.
Yeah. Well, welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box.
I
the
love
show
that every time.
Sorry. All right. Show where we take a couple minutes to show you guys literally what comes in the box for the items you guys order from us. We appreciate all the support you guys have given us throughout the show. Without further ado, I have Eric with me again today.
That's right. He's tired of me by now, I assure you.
Extremely tired.
That's
so
right.
what do you got, Eric?
Well, we've got the, I don't see the name on this one. You're not setting it up right. It's the Sonos Beam, Drew.
It's right there.
That's right.
It's right
Sonos
there.
Beam. It's their entry play bar.
What's a beam?
What's a beam? It's a ray of light. That's right. And also a soundbar from Sonos.
There you go. Soundbar. That was the
Thank
keyword
you.
I was looking for.
I thought I said it.
You said it. No,
Oh
anyway.
boy, here we go.
Here we go. Anyway, so it does come in a brown box. We took it out of the brown box just to make it easier for us, but there is a brown box. Just the reason to point that out is they do have the padding around the retail packaging, which is nice. So when it gets to you guys, even if the brown box looks like it's been beaten up, like the carriers may or may not do, you're protected. That was good.
Thank you.
Way to throw your voice.
Get this thing.
Nice little handle, by the way. So for carrying it, there's a little thing up here on top that points out that while the handle's up, it's locked. So you got to put the handle down.
How did you know that?
Before
How do you
you
know
remove
this
the
stuff? How many of these
Little
things
bit
have
of
you
prep time. A
unboxed?
little bit of prep
Now,
time.
here's the thing that Drew doesn't know that I was enjoying watching.
Oh, did you tape it?
It's already taped.
Okay.
It's taped on the
That would
side.
have been a minute.
All right. Whoa. Whoa.
whoa,
Whoa.
all right.
You better have a lot of vertical room when you're unboxing this thing.
Sleeves off. Sleeve is off. So brown box, pretty standard here. You were excited. He was excited about the knife. We don't need a knife, folks. Inside, some really nice packaging in here. Again, Sonos always does a good job with the covers on the speakers. I don't know what to do with them when you're done, but they're very nice.
They're very soft. You
Feel
just rub them
very
against
soft.
your face. And
Give it to
very
my
soft.
son. He would probably roll on the floor.
All right, we only got like 4
Sorry,
minutes.
sorry.
Man. We
We're
do this
going, we're
every
going.
single time. Please read the license agreements and blah, blah, blah. We're
not
not reading it. Not going to happen.
No.
We did that at the same exact time. We are good at this.
All right. You got it? Don't drop it.
Okay.
We're raffling that off. I don't want to drop it.
Hey, somebody signed this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. Another one of these really nice cases.
Get the brown box out of the way for you guys.
As usual, we've got the quick start guide. Open this one up every single time. Got lots of good stuff. You guys have seen this one before now.
Wow, that's good. That's a good
Nice
description. Lots of little toys inside. Eric, what's this? Go ahead and take that out for the folks at home.
Okay, this is the optional, also known as the optical to HDMI.
It's a very easy tear package that Eric is struggling with.
That's right. Optical to HDMI. You got your HDMI cable over here.
As he just bit through that, if you guys can take a look, there is a perforation on the bags that you can pretty easily tear right open.
You know, you really should open the box, and I can talk about the product.
I feel like we had a plan. At some point.
Another one of those power cables.
That's it, guys. That's inside the box, but it's probably important to note, right? This is a really nice add-on, the ARC adapter for you guys. That is for any TV. If you're running and you're using optical cable, you can use this to plug into your HDMI, which goes into the HDMI in, which is the only audio input on the back of this receiver. Soundbar. So it's a good thing to call out for a lot of guys that a TV doesn't have an ARC out. You can still use optical. You can get this. They sell it as an accessory add-on as well. And then the power cable, obviously, to provide power. Network connection. What's that for?
Network, Drew.
Good call.
Meet people, socialize, you know.
The webs.
Yes.
The interwebs. Network connection allows it to be the primary piece of the Sonos if you needed to. They do always prefer a hardwired connection. It can work without it, but it certainly is a better overall performance if you have one piece hardwired, and then it kind of builds its massive mesh network thing. All right, tell us about the speaker.
Yeah, so this one's got 4 full range woofers on it and a tweeter, right? It's got 3 passive radiators, so you actually get a really big sound out of this. It's got 5 Class D amplifiers in it, as well as it's got the AirPlay built in, and it's got your voice control. So you got Google and you've got Alexa built in. It's really nice for that localized control, right? So like in a bedroom, it's pretty easy just to be able to talk to the TV, change the volume, flip it to Netflix, whatever you want with voice control.
I like what they did with all their speakers. If you guys haven't used any of their speakers in this generation where they have the voice control, there's no physical buttons. Everything's a nice, smooth touch control on top. The other thing I can say, and we have Google products in my house, I can tell you that the microphone on picking up your voice is substantially better on these than I've experienced with any of my voice-controlled speakers from either Amazon or Google. So while it does control both of those, it's a great feature in it. Whatever household you have, if you have an Amazon house or you have a Google house, you'll set that up in the app when you do your installation, and it will become a controller for that system as well. And the microphone is fantastic on these. It picks up audio all over the place. So it's a great piece there.
Yeah, and available in white and black, right? So you get both color options. Doesn't just have to be the white option. Yeah,
it's fun. So footprint's much smaller than a play bar. If you guys have used the play bar in the past, the play bar is much larger footprint than this is. So this goes really well in some of your smaller situations. Your bedrooms are fantastic for this. So overall,
don't let the size fool you, though. It does put out a big sound.
Not going to make a joke.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Overall, I really want to thank Sonos, the guys over there. I got John and Matt that hooked us up with this. We really do appreciate that.
Who's Matt?
It isn't Matt, is it?
No. Hey, thanks, Mark.
Mark. Wow.
That's all right. It happens. It's a lot of pressure being on the camera. I would have done it.
It's stressful.
It happens.
Stressful.
John and Mark, thank you guys.
Mark, sorry. I love you. Overall, we are raffling this off. So we will sign this. We will send it out. Please leave your comments below with your dealer number in there. Please like, please subscribe, please do all the normal stuff. We love you guys.
Sorry, just cleaning you up a little bit.
I need a new co-host. Thank you guys. See you next time.
See you guys. I think you look great, man.
Thanks.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming to What the Fuck. This is our Sonos episode where we're going to be talking about the Sonos Beam.